Welcome back, everyone. We're going to be solving LeetCode 1 to sum. So we're given an array of integers called nums and an integer target. We want to return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to the target. And we can assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and we cannot use the same element twice. So how can we do this? We can use a dictionary to solve this. So we'll say our mapping is going to be equal to a dictionary, and we will say for I in range length of nums, we're going to calculate a complement. This complement is going to be the target minus the nums of the current index we are at, and we will check if this complement is in our mapping. It means we have found our answer, so we can return the current index we are at along with the mapping of our complement. So since we're doing this, that means we have to store as key value pairs in our mapping of, it's got to be the complement along with the index. So let's run through this. 9 minus 2 is going to be 7 at position 0. 7 at position 0. We will have 9 minus 7, 2 at position 1. 9 minus 11, we will have negative 2 at position 2. 9 minus 15, we will have negative 6 at position 3. Now, these negative values are not in our original array, so we don't want that. So we obviously can't store the complement as the key, but we can store the number along with the number at the index we are currently at as the key and the index as the value, and that will end up storing the data correctly in this case. So we'll get rid of this, get rid of some spaces, run this. We pass all 3 test cases, submit, and it does run. Okay, so the time complexity of this is going to be O of n, and the space complexity is also going to be O of n, right? It's going to be O of the length of whatever our mapping is. And that'll do it for LeetCode 1 to sum.